Hey guys, this is Alex with an After Effects tutorial, and in this video we're going to learn how to make live paper cutout animation. So let's get started. So let's start by creating a new composition. We'll name it paper cutout. That'll do. 1080 by 1080 pixels, 30 fps. You can bring it down to 24 if you want, and a 20 seconds long video. Any color would do of your choice, and press OK. Now for the first step, let's start by making a new solid. So right click, new solid, 1080 by 1080, rest all is fine, any color would do, and press OK. Now let's search for the fractal noise effect. There we have the fractal noise. Apply it to the layer, and we can change the fractal type to dynamic twist, noise type to spline, don't invert it, rest all is fine, contrast to 27, and bring down the complexity all the way to 1, and expand the evolution options and check on the cycle evolution. This will do. And now let's make 2 keyframes for the evolution. So click here at the beginning and come all the way to the end of the video and change this to 2. This is fine, and now we can see some evolution happening over here. Let's close this, and now let's search for the posterize effect. There we go, posterize, and apply it to the layer and change the level to 50. And now if we zoom into this, we can see a pattern is being formed. It looks pretty good. Now it is time for us to color this pattern. For the colors, I've chosen the color from the Coolers website, link will be given down in the description, and I've chosen this palette. So let's apply the color from the color palette to this pattern. Now for that, let's choose a range of color, so dark to light, this would do good. And to apply the color, we have to search for change to color effect and apply it to this layer, or we can drag it down over here. Now what we have to do is we have to use from and click on this eyedropper tool, sample this color, so this will be given here, and we have to change it to this color. So we have to copy the hex code over here and we have to paste it here, Control V. There we go. And we have to change the settings. We have to change it to hue, lightness and saturation. Change the lightness to 0.1 and the softness all the way to 0. This is fine. Now all the dark layers have been colorized. Now let's continue. Now we have to duplicate it 4 times to make it complete 5, because there are 5 colors. So let's press Ctrl D 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There we go. And let's sample this color for the second one. Click here, sample this, and let's copy this hex code and paste it here, Ctrl V. There we go. And now for the third one, let's copy this yellow and let's sample this color. Press here, Ctrl V, and repeat it. And for the fifth one, here we go. Copy this orange color. Click here, Ctrl V. Here we go. And copy this. The last color. Click here and paste. Here we go. As you can see, there are still some colors left to be filled, and for that Let's close all these. And we have to repeat this pattern all over again until it's completely filled. So for that, we're gonna shift select all these colors and press Ctrl D. And let's sample this again. Just sample this, that'll do. Oops. Make sure to deselect everything before doing it. So Ctrl Shift A to deselect, sample, here we go. And let's see if there are some more places left. Yes, there are. Look here and here and here. So let's fill that. Now if we consider this color, so what comes after dark blue? So we have to cycle it. It will be orange. So let's search for orange, or maybe dark orange. This is orange, so this is the dark orange color. Let's Ctrl D it again and sample this color. There we go. And let's search here. And what comes after orange, if we go backward, because blue is already here, so we have to take orange. So let's search for orange. Here we have orange. Ctrl D and sample this. Oops, it's not orange. We have to consider a light orange. So undo it and search for light orange, which is this color, and duplicate it and sample it. That's taken care of. And let's see if any more places are left. Nope. So this is the final thing. And now if we play it, it will look something like this. Okay. We can say we are halfway to the complete animation.